Hey there! Today we're diving into an interesting problem that can arise when working with std, Iterator_traits, and std, views, Iota, in C++. So, let's talk about the issue that popped up while experimenting with these functionalities. The problem we encountered revolves around the unexpected type returned by std, Iterator_traits for an iterator category when using std, views, Iota. In the case of lib++, we found that the iterator category was being identified as std, input_iterator_tag. On the other hand, in libstdc++, the iterator category was identified as std, output_iterator_tag. This discrepancy left us wondering why the category from traits differed from the expected std, random_access_tag. Now, onto the solution. The reference type of Iota_view long inside. Iterator is per value, which means it can only be CPP 17 input iterator at most. In libstdc++, the difference type is __ in 128, an integer class type introduced to resolve integer overflow. This difference in type causes the iterator to be classified as only CPP 17 iterator, as it fails to satisfy the requirements of CPP 17 input iterator. As for lib++, since it doesn't implement any integer class type, its difference type is a simple long, satisfying the criteria for being a CPP 17 input iterator. In summary, the unexpected type returned by std, Iterator_traits for an iterator category when using std, views, Iota and C++ can be attributed to the specific implementations in lib++ and libstdc++. Understanding these distinctions can help navigate similar scenarios in your own coding adventures. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment with your favorite C++ quirk.